everyone, this is Tintin and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something very real, homesickness while working on a cruise ship. If you're far away from your family right now, if you feel lonely sometimes, if you feel tired emotionally, this message is for you. Let me tell you first, feeling homesick is normal. You miss your parents, you miss your children, you miss your partner, you miss being home. So if sometimes you feel sad, don't feel guilty. It doesn't mean you are weak. It means you love your family. And this time, you are very lucky because of the internet. Today, you can video call, you can message anytime, you can see your loved ones instantly. Before, it was not like this. When I started in year 2014, there was no internet on board. We had to wait until we reached the port. We had to line up at the phone booths just to make a call. And making a call was very stressful. You were waiting for a long time. You were watching the clock. You were worried the line will get disconnected. You could see many crew members standing there, holding the phone, just praying they could talk to their family. So, if today you have internet, don't waste it. Call your parents, call your children, and call your partner. Tell them you're okay. Tell them you love them. And next, always remember your purpose. Ask yourself, why am I here? Why did I leave my comfort zone? Why did I leave my family? Is it for a better future? Is it for children? Is it for parents? When you feel tired, remember your why. That will give you strength. On board, your coworkers will become your second family. So build good friendship. Support each other. Encourage each other. And pray for each other. You don't have to fight alone. And please, take care of yourself. Eat properly. Rest when you can. Exercise. Pray. And don't be like some crew members who always party and drink every night. Yes, it looks fun. Yes, it looks exciting. But later, your body will pay for it. Remember, you are here to build your future, not to destroy your health. Take care of yourself so you can finish your contract strong and go home safely. Use your free time wisely. Some crew members go to the gym. Some watch movies. Some learn new skills. Let me share something with you. When I was on Grandeur of the Seas and my husband was a beverage manager, he used to organize movie nights for the bar department. We watched movies together. We had popcorn and beers. We laughed and shared stories. He did that so no one would feel lonely. And you know what? Small things like that make a big difference. Always remember this journey is temporary. Your contract will end, you will go home, you will hug your family again. This sacrifice is not forever. Now, I want to talk about something important. When you feel lonely, don't look for comfort in the wrong way. Don't enter relationship just because you are sad. Don't use other people to feel emptiness in your heart. Someone is waiting for you at home. Someone is praying for you. Someone believes in you. Respect your family. Respect yourself. Temporary emotion should never destroy permanent relationship. Every hard day you survive is making you stronger. Every sacrifice you make today is building a better tomorrow. You may not see it now, but one day you will thank yourself for not giving up. And I want to leave you with this Bible verse. No matter where you are in the world, God is with you. On the ship, in your cabin, in your workplace, in your lonely moments. You are never alone. So keep going, keep praying, keep believing. Your family is proud of you, and I'm proud of you. If this message helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below and tell me, how do you stay strong on board? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.